Hello everyone. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Rahul Patil, and today's video topic name is IOC and DI. And today's date is 14th of November 2022. First, we discuss about the IOC and DI. Its work, it's both, but both tools are working, and the definition. First, we have to discuss about the basic of Spring tool, Spring Boot tool. Before launching of Spring, we have create a class and the object, particular object. We want to create the features of this class. We have to create an object on particular class, and we have to and after the launch of the Spring, we have not create a not create any object of class. They have create automatically object IOC and DI, and the in a package, the class first we have in annotation under the class, the annotation, and they can control the they have control the in class annotation, rest controller, they can control the class. And when discuss about the IOC means inversion of control and its works. Then basically class one, they have basically two classes. One is the student and second one is address. And in student class particular fields and same as a address. But in student class we have create the object of address class and the address class, and the student class is fully depends upon the address class. Because of all the fields we have IOC is a very intelligent man. The IOC, the create of object of address class in student class, at runtime all the fields stores in a container, IOC container. And same as a creating of object of student class, they can creating of object, and at the runtime they can all the fields they have stored at object, and they can object container can store at particular container. And we want to anytime particular anytime to we want call object to anytime. And they have the dependency of injection done by two ways. First one is a setter method. In setter method, as same as two types classes, one is the student and second one is address. At the same, in student class, the particulars we have defined the particular fields. At the same as in address class, we have set the particular fields. In the IOC is intelligent man, they can create the object of address class. At the runtime, the setter methods are called repeatedly, and the same as the student class, the object can create it at the runtime. They can set the methods as particular value, and this value are stored in object, and all objects are stored the container. And second way is a constructor. The constructor, in a constructor, second way we have using constructor. As in constructor they have previous two classes, one is student and second one is address. In constructor, the IOC creating of object, creating of object, they can particular value goes to constructor. There is not using set, because of setter method is not calls to constructor. And the constructor or at the object creating time IOC, they can values goes to particular constructors to use to one container. And same as a student creating of student class object, they can value used to particular methods to the one container. And that's from on my side. Thank you.